class. This time, ang gagawin naman natin is the foundation form number 1, the first 4 figures ng form. Okay, first, Juliet. Kyoren. 준비. One, two, three, four. Baro. Okay, yun yung first 4 figures ng ating foundation form number 1. This time, try natin mag-count or command yung gagawin. Okay, first, left muna tayo. So, left, low block, left, forward stance. Prepare. 1. Then aim for middle punch. 2. Prepare for right block. And then twist sa right side. Then block. 4. Aim. Punch. Baro. Okay, yun po yung ating first 4 figures ng foundation form number 1.